You said it's the most exciting time to be alive right now for young people. There's so many opportunities. You speak to entrepreneurs like today. What is the most common sticking point you see from entrepreneurs when they come to you? What do you see right away that they're just not doing?
Well, I think the most important thing is that they're working for money. Because in Rich Dad Poor Dad, just go to chapter 1, the rich don't work for money. Then the question is, well, if they're not working for money, what do they work for? But too often they just, he's just saying that. But they never go into study and, figure what the heck is he saying? So the answer, I'll give people the answer, is the rich don't work for money, they work for assets. An asset produces cash flow, not a paycheck. Cash flow is not taxed. Paychecks are taxed.
Right.
The guys that pay the highest tax are the self-employed, small business guys. But they keep saying, well, he says don't work for money, but I have a business. Well, you've got to convert your cash into an asset, not the stock market, into an asset. So I have a friend, 50 years ago, he's an old guy now, but he was like 12, 15. His grandmother gave him chickens. And so he started producing brown eggs,
Yeah.
This is in the States. And he started selling his eggs. Then one day he decided to sell a chicken. Then he was out of eggs. He cognized, he says, if I kill chickens, I don't have eggs. But if I reinvest my egg money into more chickens, I have more eggs. And which came first, the chicken or the egg, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
He realized the egg has got to come first. So today, he is in his 60s or 70s. He produces 10 million eggs a day. And his whole focus is to serve more people and produce more eggs. So now he has huge acres of chickens producing eggs, shipping eggs all over the U.S. The guy is a multi-billionaire because he's not only selling chickens, selling feathers, fertilizer, all because he saved the chicken.
Right, so he understood the concept of an asset there.
Yeah, the chicken was the asset.
Okay.
Excuse me.